Hello, this is Dr. Jahanavee Ichchhaporia, Director Sports at Marwadi University. I am taking care of Department of Physical Education and Sports. At Marwadi University, we strongly believe in the power of lifelong learning and the transformation what it brings. Department of Physical Education and Sports dedicated to fostering the environment which provide students to learn a different core values like courage, perseverance, unity, respect and empowerment. These all core values are the foundation to develop a holistic development of our students and help them for the self-discovery. We at Department of Physical Education and Sports work on 4 major aspects. One is the general fitness. Second is the sports participation. Third, on academic courses. Fourth, a strong student support system. So let me explain how we can develop a general fitness of entire MU community. We believe that all students have the courage and the ability to perform in some or other activities. We provide ample number of activities where they can enroll themselves and develop a basic understanding of the general fitness. We have a gym facilities for boys and girls separately. We are conducting fitness program to enhance their general fitness. Second is a sports participation. We are giving n number of opportunity to students where they can participate in many in-house and outside sports competition. Here there are 2 options we are providing. The students who are developing basic understanding of the life skills and the games, they can participate in in-house tournament. Students who are having a specific skills in a different games and sports, they can represent Marwadi University in various sports and activity outside of the campus. Both the activities are helping them to develop a self-confidence and the understanding to learn the failure. This will help them to learn how to handle a mental and physical ability in different situations. Third and very important aspect is academic courses. We are providing a choice-based credit system courses in the physical education and general wellness, where we are inviting industry experts. They will share their experience with the students and students will develop a very profound experience in the terms of physical education, fitness and wellness. Fourth and very major aspects of the Marwadi University education system is that student support system. Here at Marwadi University, we provide students to be part of administrative committee. We form student sports committee where we are providing them various categories, positions from president to the interns. Based on their abilities and the skills, they are performing all the activity as an administrator. This experience will help them to develop their management and leadership skills. All the students are guided and supported by physical education faculties. These are the core 4 aspects where Marwadi University are providing all best possible to the learners to become a leader. So welcome to the green and beautiful campus at Marwadi University. Thank you.